Hello friends, these are few points which I'm going to tell you about your children which you should follow. They might, a few of them, they might be weird. You may feel there's a weird suggestions or propositions, but then yeah, these are the truth. And if you follow them, they will have a profound effect on our children. Number one, whenever you feel like scolding or beating your child, take a deep breath or count 1 to 10 and then act. Number second, let's ask them to study their favorite subject on their own. This will at least let us know as to what is the favorite subject your child is having and what is the passion he is developing on. Otherwise, we generally tell them study all the subjects, score 90% of the marks, which actually becomes a huge burden for our child. Number three, send them to one exam without studying at all. Sounds weird, right? But yeah, try it out once. Let's see how it works. Even if he fails in that particular subject, the earth is not going to go upside down. Let's try. Number four, remember what our kids are learning in 5th standard is taught to 7th standard schools abroad. So we are actually overburdening our child. Let them relax a bit. Scoring of marks is nothing, not everything in this world. If he is scoring 90% doesn't mean he'll be highly successful in life. Let him once or all fail. Let him score less marks because the amount of burden we are putting on our child is tremendous, which it should not be. Next, let's keep our kids out of the unwanted competition. There is huge competition. Right from class 1, we are actually forcing them into competition, telling them you have to score 90% marks, you have to score 95% marks, you have to do good in studies, etc. etc. There is a huge competition. A child during this period of time, his mind is creative. He wants creative, he wants innovativeness, but then we are making him a competitor. We are throwing into the world of competition. Don't do that. For God's sake, don't throw your kids into a competition. Keep them away from the unwanted competition. Next, 80% of what kids are learning won't be useful to them in future. You as parents, you know, whatever we have studied in our school, in fact, not 80%, 90% of it is not being used here and it will never be used. In fact, our education system is made such that whatever we are studying in our schools is not going to be used in our professional life. Then why? Why to force them? So 80% of the things what we are learning in the school are not going to be used in future for their success. Next, our kids can really afford to do whatever they want to do in future. Yes, we as parents, we have struggled and we have come out and we have done what we wanted to do. If we can do it, our children can do it. They are in fact much brighter than us. They are much creative than us. So let them do what they want to do in future. Don't be a father who keeps on telling him, do this, do this, do this. No, leave them on their own after taking them to a particular stage. Higher degrees don't guarantee success and happiness. This has been proved. If you are an IITN or if you are an IIM, it doesn't mean that you will always be successful. If you read the autobiographies of the rich people, the successful people across the globe, all of them are not educated, but they are highly successful and most of them are happy. So higher degrees really doesn't matter much. Not all the highly educated people do well professionally, and not all who do well professionally are the happiest ones. So profound statement. Not all the highly educated people do very well professionally, and not all who do well professionally are the happiest ones. All rich people may not be happy, but all happy people are rich. Next, last one, kids are always in a party mode. Don't spoil their childhood. Support and let them be what they want to be. Well friends, these are few parenting tips I wanted to share with you people, because parenting has never been taught to us, not in the schools, not in the colleges, but we are thrown into a parenting thing. Once we get married, we have kids, we become parenting, and we become parents without any knowledge. Absolutely no background and no knowledge and nothing. So we take parenting very, very casually. But to tell you the truth, parenting is actually a project of 20 years and is very, very fragile. So let's change the way we look at our kids and their future. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Be safe, be healthy, and Jai Hind.